So my final question is, we have a number of participants with us, and adapting to AI is an added work on top of everything that everyone has to do. So we have that anxiety with us, and we're all trying to make sense of it all together. So knowing that time, as in one of our early conversations we mentioned, is precious and limited. And if our participants were to invest their time onto a key topic after this event to kind of broaden their perspectives, based on what you're thinking now, what would be that one topic, maybe we can start with you, Adebola, that you would advise them to invest some time in about artificial intelligence, of course?
Be creative. I think I just learned even that from what Sam just said a few minutes ago. Because at one point you used to meet people and say, oh, I really don't know how to do this. I just have ideas. I think now there are jobs for those that just have ideas. Like, if you've got an idea, put it in AI, create something out of it and start making money. Start building that business you've always wanted to build. Stop pushing yourself. Stop doing those things. Ideas now is worth something so much more. So yeah, that's one thing I think. Invest in yourself. Learn, create your ideas and make things really work for you.
Thank you. I love that. That's really thoughtful. Thank you. Sam?
I think when we think about how AI tools work these days, it's usually type in a prompt and get something back. And I'm curious about if we can leverage that specific relationship of the tool even more. What it's done is that it's flattened so much complex data down into just simple phrases and simple words. And so from a semantic perspective, from a definitive definition, a language perspective, these tools are trying to assign words to everything. And I think that's also kind of driven by how we use search engines and we type in a set of words hoping we get what we want. And so we're starting to learn the names of things, of concepts that are complex that maybe we didn't know before. For example, if we're talking about art and there's an art style, I don't really know what that art style is called. And I do a whole bunch of Googling. I might find it, I might not. And so what I'd love for everyone here to explore is, how can we use AI tools to teach us? How can we use AI tools to develop access to perhaps a blind spot creatively, professionally, or technologically that we didn't have access to before? So if you're an artist and you always love those random shapes that appear in certain designs and you never knew what they were called, maybe you should go hunting for them. Oh, they're called Memphis shapes. It's a particular design style, a design pattern. And then you tell the AI to generate 1,000 examples of Memphis shapes and all these different designs. And you're like, oh, wow, I love that. And it's going to inspire me to create something new. This is, in a sense, kind of asking ourselves to leverage orthogonal thinking, which is taking separate, completely unrelated ideas in hopes that it will generate new inspiration or new innovation. And ultimately, really, that's what these tools at scale are giving us access to. Is it's a discovery engine in a sense. So it's giving us access because it's crawled trillions and hundreds of millions and billions of data points for us. We don't have to do that. It's kind of like a cool retrieval trick. So I encourage everyone to explore, how can we use language to discover things and deepen our understanding and learn new things that we never thought even existed?